Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got an unboxing to share with you and I have got Glossybox and this is their June box. It's really light this month, super light. So as always, if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've seen it before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in this box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Glossybox is a monthly subscription box. This is Glossybox UK. There are different Glossyboxes around the world, but this one is solely for the UK. It costs £10 a box and £3.25 shipping. Inside the box you get 5 beauty treats and they range from hair care, skincare, makeup and tools as well. If you opt for a rolling monthly subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. The reason you're seeing this box a little bit earlier than usual is because this is a PR box. I'm on Glossybox's, the PR list, so they kindly send me out their boxes to show you and to tell you all about it, but I am still subscribed to Glossybox. Glossybox has been my longest standing subscription box for over 3 years now, so I have got a 12-month subscription, so I pay, what is this, £11.75 a month I think it is, so I have a little bit of a reduction because I take out a 12-month subscription. But with those boxes I put them up for giveaways on my Instagram or my Facebook page, which is same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, or I keep them and give them as gifts to my friends or family. All details and everything related to Glossybox I'll pop down below, so underneath this video see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up description and everything would be listed down there. Unfortunately you are not able to get this June box because their June box sold out in May. They've received a huge amount of new subscribers over the last month or two. To be in for a chance of subscribing to their July box, then you can sign up this month, but you'll be given a Glossybox mystery box and in there will contain items at least £50 or more, and then once you receive that box then you will receive the proper July box onwards until you carry on with your subscription. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out I'll pop it down below, but let's get on to showing you what's inside. This is how it's packed. Got a leaflet here and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you the price, plus it gives you a sneak peek for July. And we have got an item by the Beauty, I keep saying that all the time. The Beauty Crop is a multitasking lip and cheek balm formulated with coconut and apricot oils. Its creamy texture will condition and hydrate your pout whilst also adding a fresh rosy flush to your complexion. So all subscribers will receive that in their July box. So the theme this month is World of Beauty. I'm loving this wrapping paper. That is really cool. Normally it's just plain pink. Even though this is a PR box and I normally get press releases, I haven't had a press release this month. So it's the very first time I'm actually seeing what I got inside. It's a little bit different. There. Oop. So normally in a press release they do tell me the different options that you might get. With Glossybox over the last, I'd say, year, they started doing variations. I suppose maybe because of the increase of subscribers. When I first subscribed to Glossybox we all got the same items, but I'd say over the last year or so there are different variations. Everyone will receive at least 2 or 3 items in the box that are all the same. The other 2 items, they could be different. If you're already a subscriber and you can't resist not looking at a sneak peek, you see my box and you think, oh, I can't wait to get my box. Unfortunately you might not get everything that you see in here. There has been some issues as well related to the cost of the box, and particularly like the boxes I receive as PR being higher value than maybe some of the boxes that you receive, which I don't think it's fair. But I do know from last month's box that a lot of people were really upset. They were receiving boxes where the value of their items was quite a lot lower than what they were seeing in my boxes. So I just thought I'd bring that up and just to make you aware, and there's nothing I can do about it, sorry, but it's just, I just want to be transparent with you all so that you know what you see in here might not be what you receive. You will receive, as I said, 2, hopefully 3 things in here, or maybe different variations. Like if there's a sheet mask for instance, it could be like a hair mask or a face mask, you know, something like that. So I'll pick an item out one by one and show you, and then I can refer back to the card. Right then, so the message from Glossybox this month says, hailing products from LA, Dubai and Australia, our June edit features 5 beauty essentials from far and wide. Without even having to leave the comfort of your own home, you can explore an unravelled variety of makeup and skincare from across across the globe. Of course, we've added some homegrown favourites in too. There's a whole world of beauty waiting for you inside the box, so let's take a peek. So the first item I picked up in the box is by the Vintage Cosmetics Company, and this is Makeup Remover Cloths Time 2. This brand is lovely. It's really, really lovely. I love the packaging. The false eyelashes, the sharpeners, all the design of the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. These cloths are classically wild, and they said you only need a splash of water. The special formulated polyester is dual-sided for both makeup removal and exfoliation, so you'll always be fresh-faced and squeaky clean. I love these. I have got tons. I have got tons of them. Wow, these are a bit different. I love these. A leopard print. So you've got two makeup removal cloths. I really like them. They're a little bit different. All the ones that I've got are all plain. It says here, it's a little tab. It says this side to exfoliate and that side to remove your makeup. So that's really nice to know. I can't really see a difference though. Oh yeah, there is a little bit. I would never have known otherwise. But yeah, so you got two cloths there. So you'll receive one of two in your box. The information in the booklet is what I've read off the back here, but to buy these it will cost you £7.99. So that's the first item. Next we've got our sneak peek from last month, and maybe one of the reasons why this box sold out super fast. It's Huda Beauty, and this is a life liner. It's a duo eyeliner pencil and liquid. I'll just open it up to show you. I've had a few Huda Beauty products in subscription boxes, but not one of these. Not one of these. Got an eyeliner on that side. What you'd expect. A nice black eyeliner. Such a handy thing to have. 2-in-1. I love it. Oh, it's a brush one as well. See there? Can't really see what I'm doing. Just making a mess. But no, that's nice. That is really nice. So to buy this, it'll cost you £18. Brought to you by Iraqi-American beauty guru Huda Katan. This dual-ended eyeliner boasts a liquid eyeliner on one end and a creamy pencil on the other to help you achieve the ultimate eye look. Better yet, both are waterproof, smudge-proof and really long-lasting. Glide the liquid side onto your lid to create a wing, then apply the pencil along your lash line and waterline for extra drama. So we've got an eyeliner. Next we've got some makeup brushes. And this is by LA Splash Cosmetics, and it's an eyeshadow brush set from the USA. So we've got a setting and a defining brush there. So I love that brush, the setting brush. Really good for packing on shadow, like a dark shadow all over your lid. I use this type of brush today for like my smoky eye. Just really nice, and it's nice and fluffy. With this one you can just, as it says, define your eyes by putting a little shadow or liquid eyeliner and placing it in amongst your lashes, your top lashes or your bottom. No, I'm really chuffed with those. They're lovely. Really lovely. If I find out what the different variations are in the boxes and what we will all receive, I'll let you know down below. I'll put it in my pinned comment where I do all my timestamps, so you're welcome to take a look there. So to buy this brush set, it will cost you £15. Founded in the same city as Hollywood, you can be sure that LA Splash is all about glitz and glamour. Use the fluffy one to apply, blend and build your eyeshadow, then use the densely packed angled one to sweep on eyeliner or smudge over your waterline. It's got some brushes. Next got a mask by Beautinique Beauty, and this is Guardian Angel, and it's to brighten, hydrate and depuff, and it's got cucumber, rose extract, green tea and hyaluronic acid, ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag and a pre-party prep. There's one pear in there. Conceptualised in the street of London, Beautinique Beauty is plant-based, cruelty-free and a natural skincare brand, and you're going to love their invigorating eye patches. So we got some eye patches. And lastly, we got a liquid metal eyeshadow by Model Co. And does it say a shade? Nope, that's the outer packaging. It's gone really dark outside. Oh, it's typical, isn't it? Typical. Typical in the UK, the weather has changed. The last couple of weeks have been gorgeous, bright and sunny days, which you wouldn't have known a difference if I was filming in here without my ring light, but it's grey and dark outside. So it's in a shade Champagne. See there? I'll just apply a little bit on my hand. That is really nice. I don't use these often. Why don't I use them often? I've got a few Stila ones and they're gorgeous. They're absolutely stunning, but it's just something I don't always gravitate towards when I do an eye look. I don't know, but look at that. That is really pretty, isn't it? Really, really nice. To buy this, it'll cost you £15. Coming to you from the land down under, this creamy liquid eyeshadow boasts a highly pigmented formula that will coat your eyelids in an iridescent sparkly glow. Use the cushion top to apply it along your lash line and create a precise winged eye, or sweep it across the whole lid and blend it out for an all over glittery effect. So those are all the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll add them all up. So these are all the items inside Glossybox June box. There's 5 items in all. The value comes to around £66. So we've got the Vintage Cosmetics Company, we got 2 cloths, we got a eye mask by Beautynique Beauty, we got 2 eyeshadow brushes by LA Splash, we've got a gorgeous liquid eyeliner and a kohl eyeliner by HUDA Beauty, and we've got a champagne liquid eyeshadow by Model Co. So yeah, so those are all the items. I think looking at them all, I really like this box. I am really, really chuffed with it. I think out of them all, the least thing that doesn't really excite me is the liquid eyeshadow. That's because I hardly use it. But maybe I will use the definer and create like a really gorgeous gold winged big eyeliner or something like that. But as I said at the start, I'm not sure what the different variations are. If you're watching this and you've already received your glossy box for June, please let us know down below what the items that you received in your box were, just out of curiosity. But if I do receive a press release, or if I find out any other way, then I will let you know. As I said, I'll pop it in the pinned post. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? If you were to receive all these items, would you be happy, or would you be a bit like, really not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.